I used up 10 credits. To build the tool, and then I used up another 5 credits in refining it to fix the errors that I was seeing. But yeah, I did not exceed the usage. Yeah, that's great. The biggest errors we saw were in the financial models, which I was surprised with, because the pricing transparency, which was things that we were looking for, partial, what does it mean? And so we asked for the tooltip to kind of say fixed monthly mentioned, but details unclear, highly transparent pricing. Like it gave good commentary. We had to refine this. So when we first put it through,
See an interesting blog post just the other day about Claudebot and people putting PII for their employees in there that
yeah,
already has some class action lawyers ready
yeah,
to
they're ready
start
to
pushing
pounce.
buttons.
Yeah, and I should have caveated when I started is that I was doing this in a public model, but the actual design, if I was building this for Red Key, it would have been done with PCI compliance and with HIPAA, thought process in mind. You have to have all that established as kind of table stakes. So, and that policy needs to spell out what you can use it for, what you can't use it for, and what data or elements is protected and proprietary. So we need to define that. And that's kind of our first step that we talk about when we start engaging with clients, because we really do want to make sure that they understand, look, you have to have some of these basic plumbing things in place before you can start building these great applications that save you time and money. What you'd like to see done, right? Give it me 1 or 2 paragraphs, write your essay now of a working business application or of a business that you want to build or something. And we're going to plug that into the AI tool and see what gets built. And that is the starting point of a good conversation. Because most people, if you can write an essay and describe literally what you want it to do, that's the secret sauce in prompt engineering. You have to be able to give articulate and concise.
Whatever I create, they own it. I can't make any revenue off of it.
Right.
However, if I upgrade and I get the $10 a month account, then anything I make, I'm allowed to commercially profit from. Now, you,
Original work.
yes.
But if you're sampling, in other words, if you have, like who was the guy who was just sampled a lot? Whatever, it doesn't matter. Any artist that gets sampled, if it's a bass beat or something like that that is coming through, you have to pay the royalties to that person as well, right?
Oh
So
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, if it
so
accidentally infringes
yeah,
on someone's copyright, yeah, you're definitely gonna be liable for that
yep.
if any profits.
Serial entrepreneur, do a lot of legal writing, use AI quite a bit. I often call it the toddler with a 400 IQ. So that's me.
Yep. And that's a good way to think about it. That